Hi everyone, this is AP Singh. I welcome you all on my channel Medicos Maharathi. So my dear friends, our today's topic is Chediak-Higashi syndrome. We will learn about Chediak-Higashi syndrome. Let's start. So my dear friends, let's start Chediak-Higashi syndrome. First question is that what is this Chediak-Higashi syndrome? So my dear friends, it is a rare children disorder, or you can say it is a rare children syndrome. Okay, we can see this syndrome in children's, but it's rare there. Okay, it's not happen always. Second important thing is that it is inherited condition, it is inherited syndrome. Okay, and it is a autosomal recessive disorder. Okay, it is inherited autosomal recessive disorder. Okay, सो फर्स्ट थिंग चिल्ड्रंस में होगा, ऑटोजोमल रिसेसिव है, ठीक है। दूसरा क्या है, इट हैव लीस्ट जीन डिफेक्ट। व्हाट इज लीस्ट? लीस्ट इज लाइसोसोमल ट्रैफिकिंग जीन डिफेक्ट। LYS इज लाइसोसोमल, T is trafficking. Third thing is that we can also say it is a defect in platelets, because in this syndrome there is condition of bleeding. Sometimes there occurs condition of bleeding or heavy bleeding or hemorrhagic condition, means blood loss condition. So we can also say this as platelet defect disorder. And patient with this condition have hypopigmentation of skin, of eyes, of hair. Okay, they have hypo means less, pigmentation means the pigments present in the skin, hair, eyes. So one question now hits your mind: how to remember this syndrome? It's easy, my friends, it's easy. Let's see. So my dear friends, let's see how to remember Chediak-Higashi syndrome. CHEDIAK, Chediak. C is for CNS, children. Okay, first thing, C is for CNS and children, means it is affecting our central nervous system. And the thing which affects central nervous system means it will surely lead problems with our neurological system. Okay, it will lead neurological manifestation, and it is a rare children disorder. So two things are clear, दो चीजें क्लियर है, C से CNS, C से चिल्ड्रन, रियल चिल्ड्रन, ठीक है। H से दो चीजें क्लियर हो रही है। पहली क्या है, HE से हीमोरेज, H से हाइपोपिगमेंटेशन ऑफ स्किन, आई एंड हेयर। वी क्लियर टू थिंग्स बाय H. Hemorrhage means blood loss, and if there is blood loss then it is sure a platelet defect. ब्लड लॉस होगा तो प्लेटलेट लॉस तो अपने आप होगा, मतलब प्लेटलेट डिफेक्ट, इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज said as platelet defect. D is for diagnosis. Okay, during diagnosis under microscopic examination we see giant granules, and giant granules are identical for Chediak-Higashi syndrome. So diagnosis is also complete. We can diagnose Chediak-Higashi syndrome by microscopic examination, and if we see giant granules then it is sure that it is a Chediak-Higashi syndrome. I is for immunity. During this syndrome the immunity get weak, so in the patient with Chediak-Higashi syndrome there are chances of increasing infection because they have weak immunity, they have low immunity. A is for albinism. Albinism, it is a condition of eye problem. Okay, during this the patient can't get proper vision. Okay, so A specify albinism. K is for nothing. So Chediak, you can remember this syndrome by its name. Okay, C for CNS and children, HE for hemorrhage, okay, which specify platelet defect, H for hypopigmentation of skins, eye, hair. Okay, D for diagnosis means giant granules. Okay, or I say immunity means less immunity and increase in infection. A say albinism, K say nothing, and this is all about Chediak-Higashi syndrome. So my dear friends, it is all about Chediak-Higashi syndrome. Thanks to everyone